Anna enters an IKEA store.
Just follow the arrows. How hard can it be?
Olaf freezes the displays.
Wait, didn't I just pass those lamps?
This makes it so much prettier.
Why are the meatballs frozen solid? 3 hours? And why is everything icy?
Olaf makes fake ice arrows.
I've seen this bed 4 times now. This has snowman written all over it.
Everything looks better with a little ice.
Never shopping with a snowman again, ever.